Ninth class student, exercise 18.2. Question number 4. First part. First part is cos square 26 plus cos 64 into sin 26 plus tan 36 upon cot 54. Cos square 26, it is same, both value, sum is 90. Cos change by 90 minus 26 into sin 26 plus tan 36 plus 54 is 90. तो change is denominator cot 54, write the 90 minus 36. Cos square 26 plus cos change into sin 26 into sin 26 plus tan 36 upon cos change into tan 36 cos square 26 plus sin square after multiply sin square 26 plus divide by same it 1, both value is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Cos square 26 plus sin square 26, it is identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here theta is 26 degree. Fourth question, first part is complete. Second part is sec 17 upon cosec 73. Both sum angle is 90 plus tan 68 upon cot 22 plus cos square 44 plus cos square 46. 17 plus 73 is 90, 68 plus 22 is 90, 44 plus 46 is 90. Change by 1, sec 17 upon cosec 73 right by 90 minus 17. plus tan 90 minus 22 upon cot 22 is same. 44 cos 90 minus 46 square plus cos square 46, it is same. After sec 17, it is same. Cosec change into sec 17 plus tan change into cot 22. Theta here is 22. Cot 22 plus cos change into sin. Sin 46 cos change into sin. Theta is equal to 46 degree square plus cos square 46 degree. Divide by 1 plus 1 plus sin square 46 plus cos square 46. 1 plus 1 plus both is identity. Value is 1 after plus 3. Question number 4 is complete. Question number 5. Question number 5 is first part is cos 65 upon sin 25 plus cos 32 upon sin 58 minus sin 28 into sec 62 degree plus cosec square 30 degree. 65 plus 25 is 90. Change by 1. 32 plus 58 is 90. Cos 90 minus 25. Denominator is same, 25. Cos 32, it is same. Sin bracket 90 minus 32 minus 62 and 28. Change by 1. 28 plus 62 is 90. Sin 90 minus 62. Sec 62 degree plus cosec square 30 degree. After change, cos change into sin, theta is equal to 25. Denominator is same, plus cos is sin change into cos 32 minus sin change into cos 62, theta here 62 degree. Sec 62 plus cosec 30 value is 2. According to table, sin 30 value is 1 upon 2, then cosec 30 value will be 2. Divide by same 1, divide by same plus 1, minus cos and sec is reciprocal. 1 upon cos, write this sec 64 into sec 62 plus 2 square is 4, sec 62 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Fifth question, first part is complete. Second part is sec 29 upon cosec 61 plus 2 cot 8 degree into cot 17 into cot 45. 45 value is from the table cot 73 into cot 82 minus 3 bracket sin square 52 sin square 38 plus sin square 52. 21 plus 61 is 90. Change by 1. Then sec 29 same. Cosec 90 minus 29 plus 2 8 82 is 90, 17 or 73 is 90. Change by cot 8 degree into cot 17 degree into cot 45. 45 put value in from the table. Cot change 90 minus 17, 82, 90 minus 8 minus 3 sin 38 plus 52 is 90. Change by 1, sin square 38 plus sin square 90 minus 38 after changing sec 29 cosec change into sec 29 theta is equal to theta value is here 29 plus 2 cot 8 degree into cot 17 degree into cot 45 degree into cot change into tan 17 degree into cot change by into tan 8 degree minus 3 sin square 38 plus sin change into cos square 38 divide by same is equal to 1 plus 2 cot and tan is reciprocal cot 1 upon tan 8 into 1 upon tan 17 into cot value is 1 cot 45 value is 1 tan 17 into tan 8 in minus 3 both are make the identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 tan 8 by tan 8 tan 17 by tan 17 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 3 1 plus 2 1 ja 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Question number 5 is complete. Question number 6. Question number 6 is write the between 0 and 45 degree. 6. Question number 6. First part is tan 81 plus cos 72 tan 81 right b tan 90 minus 9 plus cos 90 minus 18 after change tan change into cot 9 plus cos change into sin 18 that is answer that is term of 0 to 45. 6 question first part is complete. Second part is it is same code 49 question 6 second part code 49 plus cosec 87 degree 87 49 cot 90 minus 41 plus cosec 87 90 minus 3 degree. Cos change into tan, theta is equal to 41. Tan 41 plus cosec change into sec 3 degree. Complete the question number 6. Question number 7. Two question. 7 question is first part. First part is sin square 28 minus cos square 62 is equal to 0. Left hand side is sin square 28 minus cos square 62. 28 plus 62 is 90, change by 1. Sin square 28 minus cos square change by 62, 90 minus is 28. Sin square is 28 minus cos change into sin 28 sin square 28 minus sin square 28 is equal to 0 is equal to right hand side. First question is complete. Second part. Second part is cos square 25 plus cos square 65 is equal to 1. Left hand side is cos square 25 plus cos square 65. Both angle sum is 90, change by 1. Cos square 90 minus 65 square plus cos square 65 it is same. 90 minus theta cos change into sin theta. Theta value is 65 cos square 65 remove the big bracket sin square 65 plus cos square 65. Both sin square plus cos square it is identity is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side. Question number 7 is complete. Question number 8. Second and third. Question number 8. 8 is seven part is third part. Third part is cosec square 66 minus tan square 23 is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to cosec 67 minus tan square 23. Both angle sum is 90. Change by 1. 67 cosec 90 minus 23 square minus tan square 23, it is same. Cosec change into sec. Cosec 90 minus theta. Theta here 23 degree. Square minus tan square 23. Remove the big bracket. Sec square 23 minus tan square 23. That is identity is 1 is equal to right hand side. Identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. This identity used in question. Question is 7th question. Third part is complete. Fourth part is sec square sec square 22 minus cot square 68 is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to sec square 22 minus cot square 68. Sec square it is same minus cot 68, right 90 minus 22. Sec square 25 is same, cot change into tan 22. After removing the big bracket, sec square 22 minus tan square 22. That is identity of is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. Question 7 is complete. Question number 8. Question number 8 is first part is sin 63 into cos 27 plus cos 63 into sin 27 is equal to 1. Left hand side is sin 63 into cos 27 plus cos 63 into sin 27. 63 plus 27 is 90. 63 plus 27 is 90. change by 127 in both term. Sin 63 into cos 27, right, 90 minus 63 plus cos 63 into sin 90 minus 63. Sin 63 into cos, change into sin, cos 90 minus theta, theta here 30, 63 plus cos 63, it is same, sin 90 minus theta, change into cos 63. After multiply, sin square 63 plus cos square 63, both make the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side. Question number 8, first part is complete. Second part sec 31 degree into sin 59 plus cos 31 into cosec 59 is equal to 2 LHS is equal to sec 31 into sin 59 plus cos 31 into cosec 59. Both angle sum is 90. Change by sec 31, right, 90 minus 59. Another ratio is same, sin 59 plus cos 31 into cosec 59, right, the 90 minus 31. Sec change after 90 minus theta, sec change into cosec 59 into sin 59 plus cos 31 into cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Theta here 31, cosec or sin is reciprocal, 1 upon sin 59 into sin 59 plus cos change 1 by sec 31 into sec 31 is same. After cutting, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS. Thank you.